Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Education Club. Let's go over a few couple steps with you. It's just mastering these few steps. That's it. And you can start getting referrals. You can start getting people asking for information, and then we close the sales for you. That's it. All you do is give away free credit audits, and we do the rest of it for you. Once you get that person interested, the 5 steps are right here. If you go to the file section right here in the group, how to get leads. And right here, if you just master this, this is all you have to do is just master this. And that's it. Very simple. We definitely have more coming in the future. Right now, the website's being built for Financial Education Club. The lessons, the webinars, everything is being built. I'll show you that in a minute. I guess internet's taking a little slow here, but just master these steps right here and give away this free audit right here. That's all you do. Once these people get back this audit and they see how professional it is and great communication they have with our staff, they're going to want to sign up. They're going to want to repair their credit, and then that's where you earn your commission. This right here shows you what to post and then what to post back. So basically, all you're doing is you're posting this ad right here, or an ad maybe that you have that is giving away this credit audit. And there's nobody giving away this credit audit right here. People are charging up to $250 for this. We're giving it away. Absolutely free. And then once people message in photos right here, it shows you what to do. You want to like their post and you want to message them back. I will inbox you. Like their comment. And then you message them in their inbox right here. For me to do the credit audit, I need you to get all 3 credit reports for $1. I can't do this part due to law. That's exactly right. We cannot do this part. We cannot pull their credit for them. They have to do this on their own. And they're getting this free credit audit that takes them in detail and puts them in a position to where they got 3 choices: do nothing, repair it themselves, or hire us to do it. And that's basically it. This can be a great source of income for you. And this is just on the free side right here. Now, don't take a great detailed look into this site right here because it's going to change. Um, we still got some stuff to do to it, wording, back office, and everything. And this is where we got to add affiliate system to it. But what we're gonna have here is where you come in for a fee, a monthly fee, and people's credit gets repaired. Plus, they learn how to build business credit. But this is all down the line right here. But I'm showing you things that are about to come. But right now, just focus, focus, focus on giving away this free credit audit. Just focus on that right now. Make some commissions by giving that out and people signing up. Make commissions doing that. I want to show you a personal tool that I personally use. It's called Toolstar.com. Absolutely free. Toolstar.com is an auto poster, and you can sign up for free, and it posts into 50 groups every day for you. 50 groups. So that's a powerful tool right there. You might want to check that out. It's toolstar.com. TOOLSSTAR.com. And I just joined this right here. Now this is a free 30-day trial, so it wouldn't hurt just to try it out. It links all your social media together. It links everything together from your Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and then you only have to make one post a day. One post a day. Not one post a day. You only have to make one post, and it goes to every single uh, social media account that you have on there. Like, I was just setting this up today, and when I make one post, it goes out to every single one of these. 30-day free trial, you can't beat that. So I decided to try it out. Plus, you got that tool star absolutely free. And I'm going to give you another thing right here. YouTube. Learn to make videos. Learn to make videos. Once you learn to make videos, you'll start getting comfortable with yourself, and you start doing presentations and things like that. People, I mean, you building your Facebook, your Instagram, I mean, and you're giving away this free audit. And then once you give away this free audit, and then people get their credit reports, and then they turn into a prospect for you, you come and you put them in this referral right here. You put them in this referral. And be sent over to our office, and we'll get a hold of them. We'll close the sale. We'll do the credit audit for you, and then you can track them in your referrals right here. Oh, I deleted that, but their name will be right here. You click on whoever you referred, and it'll show you where they at, and how far they progressed, if they became a client or I have not became a client. You can also message us right here through the messages, communicate with us that way. And then you also right here you have information that you can study right here. How does credit repair work? The Fair Credit Reporting Act. How can I speed up the process? I mean, all this information for you right here. But yeah, basically all it is mastering these steps right here. Basically 4 steps. Number 5 is repeat. And you want to post about motivational quotes, lifestyle, and business. That's what you want to post on your Facebook, social media, and things like that. And you're going to keep hearing me repeat myself over and over again, is because once you hear about it and so many times, you're going to start doing it. Once you see it done so many times, you're going to start doing it. But it's just basically mastering this right here. And then once you become a part of the team, once you get our membership, once we launch that part of the side there, uh, your income can just grow from there. It's going to be an affiliate side of this. Right now, these are referrals, just giving away this free credit audit, and building your brand. You want to build yourself away from everybody else. People don't join companies no more; they join people. So you want to start branding yourself as a credit repair specialist. Um, it's not going to happen overnight. You're just going to have to keep on every day, posting like I'm telling you to post, what to post. If you got a copy off my page right here, go for it. Hey, we all work together here. But just master this. I mean, you got to crawl before you walk. You've got to learn to get leads before you're going to be able to do anything else. If you can't get leads, you're not going to be able to sell anything. You're not going to be but you're not selling nothing. That's the best thing about it is our company, our staff takes care of that part right here. All you're doing is giving away this free credit audit. Follow the 5 steps, master it, and then once we launch the affiliate side, financialeducationclub.com, you'll have so many people. Uh, you'll be kind of seasoned a little bit in this credit repair niche. You'll have your niche market, friend request people. Go to start requesting people in credit repair, rebuilding credit, go to credit repair groups. There's your target audience. Start friending people, 20 to 50 people a day if you can. If Facebook's new, you just want to friend about 20 to 30 a day. Any more than that, you go to Facebook jail, and they won't let you friend request for a few days. But that's basically it. It's just as simple as that. Friend request 20, 30 people a day. Post about motivational quotes, business, and lifestyle. Do it all across your social media platforms and just start branding yourself. And once you do that, you're going to be able to give away these for free, and then sales are just going to happen for you. And then once we launch the Financial Education Club affiliate side of this, you'll already have people in line waiting to get going with you. But this is the first step, the first part of it. Master this, and then once we get the affiliate side of everything, you'll be good to go.